This is Andy and welcome back to a vlog.
First vlog.
Oh yeah, first vlog.
So today we're going to...
Mummy, where are we going?
We're going to watch a movie and go to the markets at Riverway.
We're going to watch a movie.
We're gonna watch a movie.
I don't know what the movie is.
We don't know what the movie is, so it's going to be a surprise. Hopefully it isn't a horror movie.
Yeah, hopefully it is.
good.
Hopefully it isn't, but...
Hello!
Just when we go to sleep, we'll shit ourselves.
Now we're hoping it's a little kids movie. He's got put in the clown suit.
Yeah, she's got a clown suit.
Quiet, watch the movie and I'll put the clown suit and go,
So yeah, hopefully she scares the shit out of people. So, about to get Macca's.
Mum,
Just,
wait, are we
frozen
getting
Coke?
Macca's?
Frozen Coke, you know. But, well, there's
Can you do it
$1
for the
frozen.
vlog?
Yeah, we need to get a Coke for the vlog.
Mum, we need to get a Coke for the vlog.
Just a $1.
get a Coke for them. Oh,
Vlog.
You don't,
vlog. What's a vlog?
it's a thing where you record your life.
Vlog,
Do
Oh,
things.
that'll be interesting.
Do things this time like get a drink. Like
Gotta get a Coke.
everyone does at the start.
Well, I'll wait till we get Lauren and then I'll get a Coke.
So we're gonna pick up Taylor's friend here. Then get a Coke. Yeah. Peace. What?
This wasn't even recording the whole day time. We paused it. Just do it. Why? See, we were going to there.
No, we were. We're going to get Lauren.
Yeah, we're gonna get a line. Oh, look at that firefighter. He's probably gonna get hit. No, I don't really check out people's legs, especially men's legs.
I check out faces.
Okay.
I'll zoom in it. I can't zoom in. It's too bright.
Men in bike pants don't jog for me.
What? They look really weird. Ain't no time for that.
So sunny. Bump.
Dude, he was just picking his nose.
Oh! Perfect timing. So, we'll be right back. Is it Coke? And then
when we get our Cokes,
and we'll record when we get a Coke, and then when we get there.
I'm gonna say
It'll
bye
be like
to
a-
lady and record.
Yeah. Say you're in the vlog tour. This will be funny.
And we're gonna say that we have 2 million subs.
To
and
the
everything.
McDonald's lady.
So, yeah.
Like, subscribe, boys.
Yeah, boys.
Yeah, boys. We'll have a better camera next vlog because I have a $300 camera. Didn't bring it though. Adam had his iPad in here, so they're just using this. BRB, guys. Be right back. BRB means be right back. Okay. Our sister's friend's house.
We're just looking for my friend's house.
Yeah. Just looking for a red car. So we just got Taylor's friend.
I don't know the way to Kelvin.
Yeah, so we just got Taylor's friend. We just got Taylor's friend, if you can hear me.
The way out.
So yeah, let's do this.
Drive forward to get out, you know. We don't have to drive.
Mom book got the frozen Coke. No, just spent like $10 in drinks now.
I've got 2 bottles of water.
No. Mom, we gotta go on a parachute. Okay, I'll record on this. Hopefully I don't drop it. That's one thing. I know, I need this because this is like this. I'm gonna want from the. Mom, can I get a selfie stick?
Nervous going up first.
Can I get a? Hello.
Okay, and go.
Can I get a selfie stick for my birthday instead? My walker. Mom, we gotta go on a parachute ride. Over there.
No way, that's fucking video out. We're going to find out.
So we'll be right there. Yeah, we'll be right back when we're actually in the area and ready and it's stuff.
Just gonna shoot off this thing. Go.
I don't want to really do it in this area.
Just do it. See if something funny happens. Just do it. Look, this dude's just shooting it up. That dude. So this thing's like a slingshot and it goes in the air. cool.
We're just yeah, just wait. So now, we're just walking along doing something. Let me turn this off. And everyone's saying, oh, can I have a go? I only got this because I was too shy to ask all the other times. And I did it. And then I got this. When trying to turn it off.
Yeah. It's so expensive though.
There we go. So then we
Yeah. It's so expensive. Like for one bowl of curry, it costs like $17. They'll be making a lot of money. So we're just going
This
back to
is
the
like
car.
the non-whistling one, and it only costs $8.
Yeah, you can
And
buy
then
one
the
that
whis-
whistles.
And then the whistle one costs $10.
Yeah, so shoot it again. So the movie, we kind of didn't watch it because no one else wanted to. I really wanted to though.
I kind of did, but I wanted to.
So now I'm just going to go home, edit this vlog. And yeah.
Wait, we're going home now?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that sucks shit. Okay, let's shoot this thing. Wait.
Oh, no.
Ow, that hurt. Okay, my turn.
Okay.
You record me shoot.
Okay. This looks so cool on camera though. Remember how the thing in like the man said? The red suit man?
Yeah.
Probably forgot, but
Oh, this is slippery now.
I know, 'cause I split it.
Okay, I'm going to have to let hold.
Don't do it on the roof or you'll be owing me $8.
No. Whatever. I'm going to shoot the girls. Ready? Record. Record the girls. Damn it.
Okay. Shoot it up now.
Okay, I'm going to shoot the girls.
No, don't shoot the girls, just shoot it up.
It's falling. Okay, whatever.
Okay. Now he's gonna shoot it. I said shoot it. Okay. Okay, swap. You
Yeah.
take the camera. Give me that thing.
So anyway guys, I think it's a bit dark, but I hope you enjoy this vlog. So yeah, it's pretty good. Like, I know we didn't record much in public, but no one was really watching us. Anyway guys, I know this was a short vlog, but I hope you liked it. It's getting really dark around here now, so I'm just going to stop it and make the light up. Make the camera quality better, so yeah. Just walking up this hill, I know the camera doesn't make a difference. Oh, stupid plovers, they sweep you all the time.
Let's get swooped.
No fur. With my asshole. Oh! Get your asshole down! Holy crap, we're just getting swooped.
He's just.
Huge! What?
Mom's getting a camera.
Mum's getting her camera out too. You'll see the footage of us getting scared on her camera.
I know.
Gee, it just spread its wings.
Yeah, just
Asshole! I'm gonna get you.
Everybody, we're on this together.
You can't see this for shit, but there's a plover right there trying to swoop us.
Hey guys! Hi guys! My name
My
is
sisters are going high. Sorry about that. They've got a disability, but that doesn't matter. No, Mum isn't recording. You get...
No, Mom's over!
Asshole! Run your assholes! Be right back. Sorry about the mayhem, we just got swooped. Yeah. Didn't get that. Fill us up much there so we can knock us now. I just cleaned the camera and it's way better.
Liam.
Watching this vlog, Mac Fan Vlog. Subscribe if you like this video. If you like one thing tonight, do you know what that is? What? Do not use Samsung Tablet 3 thing, Note 3, whatever you call it, device for vlogging. Look at this, how powerful that light is. Like, it's shining. That's how powerful it is. Like, subscribe, share, and see you in the next video. Anyway, guys, so this is our first video. So, guys, we're just a family trying to do some videos to entertain people. And comment down below what we should do, like things we can do, challenges, anything, or what we should do in the next vlog. Anyway, guys, yeah, or any other vlogs, just tell us. And yeah, that's all I have to say. And peace. Subscribe.